ever death metal band out of Denton was a couple of guys who'd been friends since grade school. One was named
Drew.
The other was
Roth.
And they practiced twice a week in Roth's bedroom. The best ever death metal band out of Denton. Never settled on a name, but the top three contenders after weeks of debate were
Jim Bob Ghostkeeper.
and
Mike Diaper.
and the
Mike Diaper.
Robin.
Drew.
believed in their hearts they were headed.
Barf.
Brain hemorrhage.
Round and round by Rat.
So in script that made prominent use of a
Shaq's butt.
they stenciled their drum heads and guitars with their names. And this was how
David Roth.
got sent to the
Spooky de Beppo.
where they told him he'd never be famous. And this was why
Drew.
in the letters he'd write to his friend helped develop a plan to get even. When you punish a person for dreaming his dream, don't expect him to thank or forgive you. The best ever death metal band out of Denton will in time both outpace and outlive you. Hail,
Deadspin.
hail,
Deadspin.
tonight. Hail,
Deadcast.
hail, hail.